coming. I'm going to be showing you the new locomotives and Edward. Edward's a half. Well, he only got updated with the new system, and he got new faces. So technically, Edward's not new, but he got a remodel. I will show it. But anyway, here's Glenn. Also, there'll be a new rolling stock. There's a new rolling stock and one that is kind of new, kind of not. It was added last week, I think, along with Edward. But anyway, here's Glenn, the coffee pod engine. He's got the new system. Well, like you can choose the speed. Here's the wheel slip. I'm not gonna do brakes because it's the same. The weishing's still the same, but here's his whistles. Well, one's a joke whistle, water splash one. Here's original, and here's the water splash. Well, and he doesn't have any skins. Also, here are his faces. Y'all can check them out. But anyway, that is Glenn. Next up is Edward. Here's Edward. He basically the only thing is new faces, and the new system is original and the I think hit era whistle his whistle. Here's his. Well, I'm pretty sure he is the same for his. Broken. When he had his incident. Here's the garden party from an episode, I believe, and here's him when he had to rescue James. Yeah, and also his side rods come off. Part of the incident. I don't think he's got any other skin, like his furnace railway. I don't think. Yeah, he doesn't. The only thing to his tender is the flag, not flag, but poster and his tender, and that's it. Also, you can unload the coal, reload it. But anyway, here's his faces. Here's his Angry Season 2. Oh, Angry Season 3. Anxious, cheeky, cross, determined, doubtful. Also, that's his determined face. He looks like he's mad. He looks like he's mad and sticking out his tongue. But anyway, here's his doubtful, drowsy, happy, laughing, neutral. That looks like more of his serious face. That's not neutral, that's a serious face, I believe. I feel like that should be a serious face. Because I don't think Edward never showed his neutral face. But anyway, here's a sad, shocked, sleeping, smiling season 1, smiling season 2, speechless, tired, triumphant, wincing, and last one worried. But anyway, here's his whistle, his original whistle. Well, the whistle A. And here's whistle B. Basically Emily's whistle. I'm not sure why Edward has Emily's whistle. But anyway, that was Edward, the blue engine. And last but not least is an 8. Also, all three of them are 1800. We can put the speed up to 40. Here is Sunny. He's an 1800s mining locomotive built in 1842. I don't know if he's got a whistle yet. He did get this recently because he had the older version. Yeah, he doesn't have it yet. But he has no skin. I don't think. I'm checking. I even have to check underneath them to see does he have it or not. Yeah, he doesn't have anything. But anyway, he doesn't have a whistle yet. He. That's all I can say. So here's his faces. If y'all want to check him out. But anyway, that was Sunny. He doesn't have a whistle, so I can't show what. I should have made a video of his whistle before he got a new system. That was my bad. But anyway, here are the rolling stock. The old coaches were added, and which was along with the old coaches came with Glenn and Sonny. And this one came when Edward got a new update. But anyway, here are the old coaches. Here's one. Here's one. The old coach with lines. Also, here are the. Oh, that's the light. My bad. Here are the. You have to tap at the front. Here's the brown coach in his brown livery, and LNER. I believe LNER coaches. Yeah, LNER old coaches. I believe. Wait, no, those are the I don't know what they're called. I guess I don't know. Here's one without the line. Same. It's got the same thing, so I'm not going to show it. Same with the brake coach. And here's the brake coach. And here is the chicken. Well, the poetry whack. Box car, or no van, or chicken van. Is where the chickens go in. But anyway, that's all of the update. Of the new update and one that didn't show. Anyways. No, that's leaderboard. Oops, sorry. And I just turned. There we go.